Hello and welcome back. Hyderabadi Chicken Biryani. Now this is gonna be a spicy chicken biryani originated from Hyderabad, from southern part of India. We will be cooking half a kilogram of biryani. Now for half a kilogram of biryani, we would need half a kilogram of rice, and this is gonna be a long grain basmati rice, and half a kilogram of chicken. Now the choice of chicken, it's going to be the whole leg, which is cut into 2 pieces. Unlike other biryanis, this biryani, you need to marinate the chicken before cooking. So we will look into the process of marinade. Now I have taken half a kilogram of chicken in the same pot which I'm going to cook the biryani. We will add salt for taste, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste and 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, handful of mint leaves chopped and handful of coriander finely chopped. Now I had taken 1 medium-sized onion and I have chopped it, and I have fried this onion in 100 ml of oil, and I have fried it till it gets brown. Now I'm going to add the fried onions to the marinade. We'll also add the oil that we fried the onions and we will mix it. We will add 50 ml of curd and we will mix it and we'll allow it to marinate for 1 hour. Now the chicken's been marinating for almost 1 hour. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of water to the marinated chicken and I'm going to place it on a stove and lid up the stove. Now the basmati rice, I have washed it 3 to 4 times and I have soaked it in water before I could start the preparations. While the marinated chicken is cooking on the other stove, I have taken water to boil the rice. We will add salt to the water. We will add 4 cardamoms, 4 cloves, a piece of cinnamon and a piece of mace to this water. Once the water comes to a boil, we'll add the rice and we will cook the rice up to 80%. Meanwhile, the marinated chicken has come to a boil. Now at this point of time, we will add the pre-cooked rice to the biryani. We're going to seal this pot with some dough. We're going to prepare a dough using a plain flour or wheat flour, whatever flour it is. This is just to seal the biryani so that the steam from the biryani doesn't come out. We'll place a tight lid over this and we will place a heavy object on the lid. Now once we seal it, we will cook it in high flame for 1 minute. Now that it's been cooking high flame in 1 minute, we will lower the flame and we will cook it in lower flame for 15 minutes. Now that it's been cooking for 15 minutes, we will break the seal and we will mix the biryani. Your Hyderabadi chicken biryani is ready to be served. Hope you love this video. Please like, share and subscribe my videos. Thank you for watching.